It's a very interesting looking. But I'm about to eat it. All right. It's the best mushroom I've ever had in my life.
Is it really?
It is.
I'm excited to try this.
I want to do the video now.
Mm-hmm. It's really good. It tastes a lot like
Dad,
buttered crab.
That's exactly like in the past when I've had it. It's very seafood-like.
It's very good.
I love that flavor.
tastes really good.
Is it good?
I like the juice to it.
All right, great. This is a special meal tonight. Zeke picked out everything we're eating except for the mushrooms we found today. Zeke actually cooked the meal today, didn't you, buddy? A little help from Dad, but...
Little slimy. And also a little bit of quantity. And the flavor of it is gooey.
Gooey, okay. It did sit in the juice, so it didn't get the caramelized, crispy outer edge like I would have liked. It was kind of sitting in a little high in the juice, but I managed to get the broiler to crisp it a little bit. Here, I was worried. I was thinking, oh man, no, that's a phenomenal mushroom. That does taste like seafood.
That's fun. Tastes
like maybe some point between lobster and crab in flavor. Texture too. Texture has a very shellfishy seafood kind of flavor. Lion's mane. Anytime I see one of those mushrooms,
Hey, Dad.
I am extremely excited. So, if you like this, tune in again next time. We do a lot of mushroom cooking videos, and please subscribe to the channel so you can get notifications when we put new stuff out. Thanks a lot for coming along with us. Have a great day.
Bye.
Tastes like chicken.
Chicken though. All right, AJ. It's October 14th-ish, and we got another great find. I haven't had one of these in a few years. Check this out. We've got a lion's mane. These are special little mushrooms. It's kind of a small one, but they call it a lion's mane because it's got these hairy little icicles that come off the bottom. So, I'm taking these off the tree. I just try to get as close to it as I can. Well, these are a real spongy mushroom. And if they're real dirty, you can take them in water and squeeze them, and they'll actually act just like a sponge. But when you've got one this clean, the trick is just keep it clean. Don't stick it in your bag if you got dirt and junk in your bag, because everything this comes in contact with will stick to it. And these are special enough, I may just carry this little guy in my hand or put him in a clean bag and carry him, because in the world of delicious wild mushrooms, this is one of the absolute best you'll ever find.